Okay, Wildcats, let's first talk about finding out who your advisor is. If you don't know who your advisor is, you can log into RiverGuide and click on the Find My Advisor button right here. If you log into that and find that an advisor is not listed there, you can email advisement@prcc.edu to find out who your advisor is. If an advisor is listed there, but you don't see contact information, what you can do is go to Pearl River Community College's homepage, prcc.edu. You can click on Stay Connected and then the directory. From there, you can search their first or last name, and you can find their email address listed there. So once you've made your appointment with your advisor and you want to take that list of classes that you both have agreed upon, you want to register for those. Again, you're going to want to log into RiverGuide, click on Wildcat Web. Next, you'll click on Student, Registration, select term. You'll select whichever term you're looking to register for, which in my case will be Fall 2020. Then you'll want to select Add or Drop Classes. So at this point, you're going to want to pull out your PIN number that your advisor gave you to log in. And that will bring you to the Add Drop Classes screen. What this screen is asking for is for the CRNs of the courses you've decided to take. Now, if you and your advisor have already written those CRNs down, you'll be able to plug those in right away. However, if not, we'll need to go get those CRNs from the interactive schedule. So let's do that together. We'll want to go back to the PRCC homepage, go to Academics, Class Schedules, and then you'll see this page here that probably looks pretty familiar. I'm going to want to look at the Fall 2020 schedule, Poplarville classes, open sections only, and let's look for an English. All right, I'll take this English Comp 1 day hybrid class. You can see here the start and end dates, the times, the days, all this information is laid out for you. You'll also see the P here on all these classes. That means these classes are all in Poplarville. So because I know this is the class I want to take, I'm going to copy that CRN number, go back to my Add Drop Classes, and paste that right into the box. I'm going to submit changes, and you'll see that I've been registered for English Comp 1. Now, if there are any other classes that I need to add to my schedule, I can go back to the interactive schedule and find those CRNs again.